Hello, my name is Ruben, I'm a geographer and I am also a GIS specialist, and in this video I'm going to show you a little bit of the topology tool and how we can use it on ArcGIS Pro. So without much further ado, let's get to the video. Okay, now that we are in ArcGIS Pro, let's start by add a folder connection to one of the folders that I created earlier on my desktop. To do this, go to View, then click on Catalog pane, and here on Folders, right click on it, click on Add Folder Connection, and I will create a folder connection with a previous folder I created in my desktop. In this case, it's this one called Topology. To use the topology in ArcGIS Pro, we need to create a file geodatabase. So, for example, in this folder right here, I will right click, click on New, and create a file geodatabase. I will call it topology as well. And in this geodatabase, I will create a feature class of the polygon type, which I will use in this exercise. To do this, click on the geodatabase and go to New, and then feature class. I'll call it polygons, and I can finish. Make sure that every feature classes and feature datasets are on the same coordinate system. Now let's go to Edit, then click on Create, and let's start by drawing some polygons in this area. For example, some of these houses. And I will make sure to have some polygons overlapping so we can detect these errors on the topology. For example, this one, I'll create an overlap right there. Let's draw some more. Okay. One more error right there. Okay. Don't forget to save your edits. Now going back to the catalog pane, right click on the file geodatabase and let's create a feature dataset. So go to New and click on Feature Dataset. I will call it Topology as well, once again, and I will need to make sure that the coordinate system is the same as the map and as the feature class that I created previously. Okay, let's name it Topology and click Run. And now we need to drag the polygons inside the feature dataset. To do this is just super easy. Just drag and drop the polygons inside the topology feature dataset. Now right clicking on the feature dataset, go once again to New and choose Topology. Right here on Define, we need to define the feature classes we will use on this topology. In this case, we only have the polygons, so let's select the polygons. On Add Rules, click on Add. Feature class 1 will be polygons, and the rule will be the second one. So I want polygons that must not overlap with each other. So I will need to detect polygons that overlap. Okay, so let's select this one. Next, right here we have a summary of our choices, and then we can click on Finish. Inside our feature dataset, we can see that we have our topology. Right click inside of the topology and click on Add to Current Map. Okay. Let's now close all these tabs. We can select the dirty areas to see our study area. And this is where difficulties can often appear. When it looks like all the steps are created, there is still something else we need to do to see the topological errors in our feature class. For example, if we open the attribute table of the polygon errors, you can see that there's no errors showing up in this attribute table. So to view the errors of the topology, we need to go to Edit, On Manage Edits, we need to choose the topology of our geodatabase. In this case, is this one, topology underscore topology. Click on Error Inspector. Here on the inspector, make sure that the source is the correct one, right here. And then click on Validate. And if we click on Validate, we can easily see all the errors or all the polygons that overlap in our map. And this is how we can use the topology to detect errors in ArcGIS Pro. Thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment what you want to learn next.